Hi, welcome to KimchiTech English, where we teach you practical English applicable in daily life. Today we shall practice useful conversations. First, listen to us carefully, then repeat after us. Only listening is not enough, you must speak too. Both listening and speaking are important if you want to be good at English. So let's begin.
Is it hot out there? Yes, it's hot, but windy. Do you want to join us? Sure, I'd love to. What's up with Susan? She just broke up with her boyfriend. How does she feel today? She seems better now. Will you do me a favor? Sure. How may I help? Will he be all right? It's too early to tell. May I take your order? Yes, I'd like spicy fish and rice. Have you got it in a smaller size? Yes, I've got one here. Is anyone sitting here? No, take it. Is that a good fit? It's just right. What does it taste like? It tastes like strawberries. Are these dresses on sale? Yes, they are both 20% off. How late are you open? We close at 9. What's for dessert? I'd like some fruit. How's the weather out there? Sunny, some clouds. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Thank you. Will you take any less? No, I'm sorry. The price is firm. What's she like? She's friendly and outgoing. What does she like doing? She likes dancing. Is that Julia Brown? Speaking. When will she be back? She will be back in 50 minutes. May I ask who's calling? This is Pete Johnson. Would you like me to take a message? Don't bother. I'll call her mobile. Would you mind calling again? Okay, I'll try again later. Can you hear me well? I could not hear you clearly. Would you ask her to call me when she's in? Sure, just leave your number. Can I make a suggestion? Sure. What's that? What's the difference? This one is a little thicker. Do you have the moment to talk? It's okay. I'm free now. Can I have a word with you? Yes, I'm listening. Do you want a lift? Hop in. Great! Can you drop me off in the center? Have you seen Jim lately? No, I haven't. What should I do? Just tell her the truth. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm almost starving. Do you get on with your brother? No, not really. He's quite annoying. Do you have a brother or sister? A brother. He's younger than I am. Where does it hurt? I hurt my back. How long have you been like this? 2 or 3 days now. What ought I to do? You'd better stay in bed for a day or 2. Is she just visiting? No, she's studying here. When does it get in? It gets there at 11. How would you like your steak? Well done, please. How long will it take? Around 30 minutes. What do you recommend? I think you should try the steak. That's our best dish. Shall we go somewhere for a drink? Nice idea. Let's go. Why don't we go to the concert? No thanks. I like watching movies. How about a cup of tea? Yes, I'd love one. How do you like it? A strong one, with spoons, please. Did you have fun? Yes, it was amazing. How do I look? Beautiful. Are you British or American? No, I'm Canadian. Are you married or single? I'm single now. How old are you? I'm 33. How many children do you have? I have 2 children, a girl and a boy. What foreign languages can you speak? I can speak French and Spanish. How was your day? It's very good. What's your name? David Brown. When were you born? I was born in 1998. Where do you live? I live in Sydney, Australia. What is your address? 13 Oak Street, Sydney. What's your telephone number? It is 203-4564. What kind of guys do you like? I like guys who have a good sense of humor. How do you know each other? Through friends. Is this your first time here? No, I have been here twice. Can I drive you home? That's great, thank you. When can I see you again? I'll call you. Did you see Tom's new girlfriend? No, I haven't met her yet. What size do you wear? Size 14. Would you mind showing me the bus stop? I'd like to, but I really don't know. Are you going to stay here for a long time? Yes, at least 2 more years. Have you got any plans for today? No, nothing special. Do you need some more minutes? No need. I'm ready now. Do you mind if I use your laptop? Help yourself. Can we change the time from 7 to 9? No problem. Will Susan be here on time? Don't worry, she's never late. What do you want for lunch? It's up to you. Are you free this Sunday? I don't know yet. Would tomorrow at 10 a.m. work for you? Unfortunately, it is too early for me. When would you like to meet? I'll see you at 10 a.m. Is 12 tomorrow any good? Yes, I'll make a note of it. You're Pete Thompson, right? That's right. What's your name again? July Riley. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It will be snowy and cold. Are you afraid of the dark? No, I am not. How are you doing? Not bad. Work is okay. Could you drive a car? I'm afraid I can't. Do you have a girlfriend? I'm dating someone. Are you sick? No, I'm not. Do you accept credit cards? Sorry, but we take cash only. Do you understand? Yes, I got it. How far? About 10 kilometers. How much money do you have? Not much, only $50. What day is it today? It is Friday. Is it raining out there? No, it's not raining anymore. What does this mean? That means family first. Have you made a reservation before? Yes, I booked a room for 2 nights.
No.
Thanks for watching.
I don't think so.
If you enjoyed this kind of video, there are so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Trust me,
I don't think so.
you will not want to miss what's next.